To make sure that your referrals get registered, you will need to create an account on Indiegogo, which you can do by clicking Login or Sign Up and then signing up. Once you have created your account and have logged on to Indiegogo, we ask that you either choose a perk or make a small contribution. Why? Simply because without this, we will not know your personal details and won't be able to send you your reward should you be the winner of our referral contest. We have perks starting at $25 or you can make a contribution of any size by scrolling to the right and entering the amount that you wish to contribute. Once you have chosen your perk or made your contribution, you can simply click Share and then Copy Link. This dialog will show up with your personal referral code at the end. Please note that this code is mine, so please make sure that you use your own. Any contribution or any perk bought through the use of your personal referral link will count towards your referrals and towards hopefully you winning the referral contest.